This is the story of how a family became a brand. It all began in 1882 when Francesco Bertazzoni and his son Antonio began to make their first wood-burning cooking stoves. Since then, the Bertazzoni family has built and expanded and succeeded in design, originality, method, and manufacture, forging an understanding of the home and its heartbeat, the kitchen. The Bertazzonis are from Emilia-Romagna, fertile land of abundance in the north of Italy, providing produce of glorious variety and quality. The ingredients that created the wonderful traditions and tastes of Italian cooking: family and food, being together, eating together, bonds of respect, expressions of love. Emilia-Romagna is also home to Italy's finest mechanical engineers and industrial designers. And Bertazzoni is part of this rich culture of creativity and precision, designing and manufacturing cooking machines for the home, for the kitchen, with an ingenuity and style admired and appreciated the world over. Now the latest Bertazzoni generation continues the story, not just adapting to change, but leading it. The wisdom of the family, the deep traditions of food, and exquisite engineering skills. This is Bertazzoni.